Hi friends, how's it going? Guess what? It's Friday.
It's
Friday, Friday. Gotta get down on Friday. I'm dancing, but you can't see. So Amy wanted to show me something. She's been working on this little crafty craft.
Forever, like a couple days. Look, I finished it. Isn't it cute? Yay!
So where are you gonna put it?
Well, I was thinking over here, but
I'm gonna put the kibosh on that because you've got electrical right here.
oh, okay. Or right here.
I like there. Right there looks nice. As long as there's a stud.
There's always a stud in my house. And the door doesn't.
Nope. Oh my goodness, Mr. Man. What is going on? Why are you making all these noises? Aiden? What's going on, Baba Boo? What's going on, Baba Boo? Hi, Liam. Hi, Mommy.
You also have to.
Hi, Internet.
You have to put some pictures up for me. Internet, he needs to put pictures up. See? Walk with me, walk with me. Listen to Aiden scream for a minute.
3, 2, 1.
I want these. Put up.
Why?
Because it will even out the room.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will. I want these put up.
I would almost say it would be better to put them over here next to the boys and offset them. So like one's here and one's here. I don't know.
But there's nothing over on that.
There's that picture of the temple.
But
That light right there makes everything like really orange right here. Yeah, if you lower it just a little bit. Yeah, like right there. I don't know. We'll put them wherever you want, sweetheart. Wherever you want.
Stuart is going to be putting things up tonight.
I need to ask you guys a serious question. Have you ever eaten something that when you eat it, it makes your mouth just so happy? Like, and it could be something that you've eaten a million times, but this one time you eat it, it's just so good. I'm having that moment right now. This waffle, while it's a plain ordinary waffle, has brought so much joy to my mouth. So delicious. Amy, you killed it on these waffles.
Thank you. It's a secret family recipe. Can't tell you how I make it.
Anyway, waffles. Hey Liam, can you do Daddy a favor? When you talk, you need to say English words, not baby words. Right?
Maybe he speaks like Ewok or.
What are you doing, Mr. Man? Oh, I hate zooming in on this camera because we've got that little... Oh, we got another dot right there. And one right there. Oh, we need to go buy a new camera. Amy, we need a new vlogging camera.
That could have been possible, but I'm pretty sure we just bought a new car.
Eh.
Out.
Mommy's still eating.
Well, boys, it's Friday evening. We've had our dinner. We had some delicious waffles from Mommy. What do you want to go do now? You know what I think we should do? Actually, I don't think, because we're going to go do it. But let's go for a walk on the parkway. And then we can go see some duckies, maybe. And then we can play in the playground over there at the park.
Yeah.
Yeah? You like that idea, nose picker? Hey, fingers out. No, don't do that. No. Don't pick your nose.
Have to get all the junk out into the stroller. The stroller. It's a new word. Look it up. Stroller.
Hi, Aiden. What are you doing?
You.
All right, well, we're done with our walk.
We made it. 10 miles. Uphill both ways. In the snow.
You're a liar, Pants.
I know.
Hey, you. Did you guys have fun? Did you get to go see the duckies? Yeah, did you get to go see the duckies?
You?
Yeah. Now Daddy has gathered up all the change in the house. Let's go put it in the coin star and get us some cookies or a treat or something.
Stars?
Do you like treats? Aiden likes treats, huh, Aiden? Do you like treats?
Oh.
Yeah? Is it that time again to say goodnight to my little boys? Yeah, you look so cute, Mr. Man. You are out of focus. Can we focus? Oh, there you are, Aiden. There you are. Hi, little bubsies. I love you so much. You sleep tight, okay? Mwah. Mwah. Love you, buddy. And as for you, Mr. Man, Mr. Trouble Man, Mr. Trouble, I'm gonna give you kisses. Mwah. Mwah.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I love you. Night-night. Can you say night-night? Yeah? Don't eat my finger. All right. We'll see you guys. Night-night. All right, friends. Just wanted to say thank you. What are you doing?
I was making a funny face like this.
Aren't we just the cutest? Anyway. What?
Does it look like Stuart has a second head?
All right, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching our vlog today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we're really fun. And hit the thumbs up button too. And Amy?
Frozen lemonade.
And may the force be with you.